Who is a book runner? Explore equity capital markets, debt capital markets, and M&A. Presentation overview. Overview of Bookrunner. Bookrunner is a financial services company that provides a range of services for equity capital markets and debt capital markets. It also provides advisory services for mergers and acquisitions. Equity capital markets. Bookrunner provides a range of services for equity capital markets, including initial public offerings, follow-on offerings, and rights offerings. These services are designed to help companies raise capital and grow their businesses. Debt capital markets. Bookrunner provides corporate and municipal bond services for debt capital markets. These services are designed to help companies and municipalities raise capital by issuing debt securities. Advisory services. Bookrunner provides advisory services for mergers and acquisitions. These services are designed to help companies navigate the complex process of merging with or acquiring other companies. Overview of a bookrunner. Underwriting and advisory services. Bookrunners provide a range of underwriting and advisory services to corporations and governments, helping them access capital markets and achieve their financial objectives. Global presence. Bookrunners typically have a global presence and provide financial services to clients worldwide. Equity capital markets, debt capital markets, and mergers and acquisitions. Bookrunners operate in the equity capital markets, debt capital markets, and mergers and acquisitions, providing clients with comprehensive financial solutions. Key services offered. Securities underwriting. Bookrunners securities underwriting services help issuers to raise capital by selling securities to investors. The firm underwrites the offering and takes on the financial risk associated with selling the securities. Advising. Bookrunner provides advisory services to help clients make informed decisions about mergers and acquisitions. The firm works with clients to evaluate potential targets, structure deals, and negotiate terms. Syndicating. Bookrunners syndicating services help issuers to distribute a large offering among a group of investors. The firm works with a syndicate of underwriters to sell the offering and share the financial risk. Equity capital markets. Bookrunner provides a range of services in the equity capital markets, including initial public offerings, follow-on offerings, and rights offerings, to assist clients in raising capital by underwriting the syndicating securities offerings. Initial public offerings. What is an IPO? An initial public offering, IPO, is the first time a company's shares are offered to the public. It is a critical event in a company's life cycle and requires significant preparation and planning. Underwriting and syndication. Bookrunners play a crucial role in the IPO process by underwriting and syndicating the offering. They help clients with pricing, marketing, and distribution of the shares among investors. Follow-on offerings. A follow-on offering is a secondary offering of shares by a company that has already gone public. Bookrunners assist clients in structuring and underwriting follow-on offerings, as well as providing advisory services on pricing and timing. Rights offering. What are rights offerings? A rights offering is an offering of shares to existing shareholders. It allows the shareholders to purchase additional shares at a discounted price in proportion to their current shareholding. Bookrunner services. Bookrunner assists clients in structuring and underwriting rights offerings, as well as providing advisory services on pricing and marketing. Debt capital markets. Bookrunner provides services in debt capital markets, including corporate and municipal bonds. The firm assists clients in raising capital by underwriting and syndicating bond offerings. Corporate bonds. Corporate bond is a debt security issued by a corporation to raise capital. Bookrunners assist clients in the issuance of corporate bonds by underwriting and syndicating the offering, as well as providing advisory services on structuring and pricing. Municipal bonds. Municipal bonds are debt securities issued by state or local governments. They are a popular investment option for individuals seeking tax-exempt income. Issuance of municipal bonds. Bookrunners assist clients in issuance of municipal bonds by underwriting and syndicating the offering, as well as providing advisory services on structuring and pricing. Mergers and acquisitions. Bookrunners provide a range of advisory services to clients involved in mergers and acquisitions. The firm assists clients in all phases of transaction, including valuation, due diligence, and negotiation. Advisory services, mergers and acquisitions. Bookrunners provide advisory services to clients involved in mergers and acquisitions, helping them to identify potential targets and structure transactions that meet their strategic objectives. Strategic advice. Bookrunners offer strategic advice to clients, helping them to evaluate market trends, identify potential risks and opportunities, and make informed business decisions. Due diligence. Bookrunners provide due diligence services to clients, helping them to evaluate the financial and operational aspects of potential transactions and identifying any potential risks. Valuations. Bookrunners provide valuation services to clients involved in mergers and acquisitions, utilizing a range of techniques to determine the fair value of a company or asset. Discounted cash flow analysis. Discounted cash flow analysis is a valuation technique used to determine the intrinsic value of a company by estimating its future cash flows and discounting them to their present value. Comparable company analysis. Comparable company analysis is a valuation technique that compares the financial ratios and other metrics of a company to those of similar companies in the same industry to determine its relative value. Due diligence. Bookrunners provide due diligence services for clients involved in mergers and acquisitions. The firm conducts a thorough review of a target company's financial and operational performance to identify potential risks and opportunities. Conclusion. Underwriting and advisory services. Bookrunners provide underwriting and advisory services to corporations and governments, helping clients assess capital markets and achieve their strategic objectives. Equity capital markets. Bookrunners provide a range of services in the equity capital markets, helping clients raise capital and finance new initiatives. Debt capital markets. Bookrunners offer a range of services in the debt capital markets, helping clients raise financing for their projects and initiatives. Mergers and acquisitions. Bookrunners provide advisory services for mergers and acquisitions, helping clients find the right partner and structure the deal to achieve their strategic objectives. Thank you.